Today I discuss about sequence alignment. We already familiar with the term sequence because the sequence means all the DNA, RNA have a nucleotide arrangement which is known as sequence, and this sequence is very much important to know their arrangement or their for further progression in the way of replication, transcription and translation. And this sequence alignment, that is the sequence is a term and another one is the alignment means the matching in between different sequences which may be in RNA or DNA or protein. Why this sequence alignment is needed? Because to identify the similar region in the DNA, RNA or protein, uh, either in a consequences sequence or in a functional sequence or in structural sequence, and which is very much important to know the sequence alignment, because from this sequence alignment we can draw a evolutionary tree in all living beings or in the all different aspects. So sequence alignment is a part of the bioinformatics, information technology used in biological science, which is known as bioinformatics. So this is also very much important, sequence alignment in the bioinformatics. And this alignment of biological sequence is most accomplished field in the bioinformatics. This is the alignment. So there are different R, P, Q, R, S, T in the sense of alphabetically we try to include these alphabetics. Next come to the application. What are the application of sequence alignment? There are generally three applications. One is gene finding, to find out the different sequences in the genome. The sequence alignment is very much important. Next one is the functional prediction. The sequence alignment can determine the function of different gene, either it may similar or different. From the alignment we can predict the functional aspect of the of different genes, it from the RNA or DNA or protein. And another one is the genome sequence assembly. Genome sequence assembly means assembly, that means we try to assemble different sequences in a confined region or confined task, and this is the genome sequence assembly, and these tasks can be important in the bioinformatics. Next come to the some example. I showed you some examples for the sequence alignment. There are different sequences are present, and if we see that there are only three sequences are aligned, so this is not a alignment. Out of huge number of sequences, only three is not very important, whereas next one is the aligned. So if we see that there are so many similar sequences are present which can align with each other, so this is the aligned sequences. And in the right side there is different sequences, but only 10 sequences are matched with each other, and without any gaps. So in the matching in between the sequences there is no gap. Next one is the 14 matches, but a one gap is present. So this is the sequence alignment with one gap, and next one is the sequence alignment with two gap. So there is a, this is the this is one gap, and another one is the, this one is gap. So these gaps are the also found in sequence alignment. Next, what are the types of sequence alignment? These types are based on two different criteria. One is the based on sequence length, and these sequence lengths we also classify into two different category. One is global sequence alignment and another one is the local sequence alignment. Global, that means it is a in a broad sense, that means these alignment of sequences include different types of sequences, nucleotide sequences, to match with each other. So if we uh, draw this sequence 1 and sequence 2. This is the global sequences, whereas local sequence alignment means this type of alignment are in a narrow sense, and they are so strong similarity in between the sequences. That's why it is known as local sequence alignment. See, so if we see that ATAAC, and the next one is also ATAAC, and there 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 nucleotide sequences are matches with each other, that is aligned with each other. Next one is the based on the number of sequence, how many numbers are sequenced or matched aligned with each other, and this is also classified into two types. One is pairwise sequence alignment, another one is multiple sequence alignment. Pairwise also known as PSA, and multiple sequence alignment is also known as MSA. Pairwise, fair means only two sequences can participate or can align in this process, whereas in case of multiple sequence alignment, the so many sequences can be aligned with each other. That's why it is known as MSA. And if we see that there are sequence 1 2 3, they are aligned with each other to show the similarity or dissimilarity. So these are the two different types based on the number of sequence, and this MSA can be done by different way. I will post or some videos or lecture on the what are the methods of MSA. Next is the what are the parameter to consider the multiple sequences alignment or MSA. There are mainly three parameters. One is protein weight matrix, next one is the gap open, and another one is the gap extension. Protein weight matrix can be done by the PAM, and another one is the Blossom. I will post this method, PAM and Blossom. Next one is the gap open. Gap open by the can be done in frequently and more significant. Next one is the gap extension. This is also involves the additional amino acid penalization in the scoring of an alignment. So these are the three parameter for the multiple sequence alignment. Next come to the difference between the pairwise sequence alignment and multiple sequence alignment. This is the different criteria. In case of PSA, we can compare only two sequences, whereas in multiple sequence alignment we can compare more than two sequence for the alignment. And these are generally categorized as global or local. In pairwise sequence alignment, mainly global, local sequence can be aligned, whereas MSA we can use so many sequences, that's why it is maybe global alignment. And in case of pairwise sequence alignment, there are tools are emboss water, emboss needle, K-table, Kmer algorithms, which are, whereas in MSA there are muscle mapped, class 12 family, tea coffee, Calinge, class W. These are the different tools for the MSA alignment. You can also watch my next video regarding the different tools of the MSA. Thank you, and if you have any question, you can post in the comment section.